Hello, I am Lady. I am going to talk about my daily routine. I am a housewife and usually Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday I do the same routine. I make up 7 a.m. and prepare breakfast for me, for my husband and my daughter, and organize a house, make clothes, to wash it, wire and prepare lunch. After lunch, I organize the kitchen and they collaborate with my daughter. Later, after, and prepare dinner. Often checking the platform and my Gmail for any information. I always prefer to do my work night hours because on the night after during the day. Sometimes I go to the bed 11 but usually at 10. My routine on Saturday is different. Usually I get up early at 5 a.m. and prepare breakfast and make up a house. I bed and organize myself to the TV at 7 a.m. in my English class. For 11 a.m. to 12 and prepare lunch and then enter the phonetic class and then the philosophy class. The rest of the afternoon I dedicate and my daughter to go out for a walk in the park. Later at night answer the philosophy Quran. My routine on Sunday is very family. Visiting my mother, going to out celebrate, family lunch, etc. This is the end of the day. This is the end of my daily routine. Thank you so much.